McLaren F1 chassis 053 was imported in 2017, having first been shipped to Japan and then Hong Kong, the Middle East and finally back to Britain. In 2019, it was given the number plate 53MCL and has very occasionally been spotted around and about. 053 is another interesting car because it's one of only two that left the factory in white. It's covered hardly any mileage, with the 2022 April MOT showing 1,290 kilometres. And this car really made me laugh, and it's a great example for the power of the internet. I thought I'd found a white whale when I dug this one out, and here's why. Most websites had this car being sold to Japan, and then Hong Kong, and then the UK, and then Switzerland. Now, I found this car by downloading the complete list of MOTs that took place in 2021. Yeah, a zip folder of CSV files that made up something like 1 million lines of spreadsheet data. After waiting forever for my computer to process the first file, 300,000 lines, I told the spreadsheet to search for McLaren and found this white F1 was MOT'd in Blackburn this year. I nearly spat my tea out because the McLaren F1 is usually associated with, Monaco or Geneva or Miami or anywhere exotic, not Blackburn. For those of you that don't know, Blackburn is an ex-industrial town in the sort of north part of England where people talk funny. The thought of this car popping along to Kwik Fit in Blackburn for an MOT really made me smile. So let's hope it's owned by Dave, a plumber, who's fitted a roof rack for his ladders. So there we have it, a white whale that was sent to Japan, then Hong Kong, then the Middle East, and then to Dave in Blackburn. Maybe. This car is very original with low mileage, apart from Dave's roof rack, obviously.